I'm gonna run to my car too. All right, this is live. This is live.
105, 100.
I think I have to rename it.
There is.
You can send for the link. So like if you go on the Westbury website, and you look at like where you was like, have you ever gone on the live street for the more meetings? Yeah, it's the YouTube link for Westbury. Yep. Yep. Right.
Good morning, everyone. We will start in a few minutes. Just waiting for a few more parents. They're coming into the building, and we do have 2 spaces, so they're figuring out where to go, whether library or auditorium. So maybe about 5 or 6 more minutes, we should get started.
choเราไปไม่ได้เราพูดได้แบบ Lấy một váy.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our second year of doing Math Mania. My name is Kamala Watt. I am the district-wide chairperson for mathematics here at Westbury. Parents that are here with us, welcome. Parents who are watching from home, welcome. Teachers and students in Dryden Street, welcome. Drexel, welcome. Park Avenue, welcome. And Powell's Lane, welcome. This morning we have students in this room who are from grades 3, 4, and 5, and they will be competing to see who would be the champion mathematician for their grade. Students are competing from all 3 of our schools, Drexel Avenue, Park Avenue, and Powell's Lane. The questions will be projected on that screen, and I hope that for those of you who are watching via live stream, you're able to see it. If not, one of the teachers out there, can you text either me or Ms. Barbosa and let us know that you're not able to see it well, and we will adjust. We have a young lady that's going to come into this room very shortly. Her name is Brittany. And she's a middle school student, and what she's going to talk to you about this morning is how math makes her feel and her experience with mathematics. But before she comes, I want to talk to you a little bit about why you do math. I'm not going to talk for a very long time because I know you're ready to get started, but I want to talk just for, give me a minute to talk about mathematics. Do many of you come to school sometimes and wonder, why am I learning this? I saw a hand go up. Do some of you go to your teacher and say, when will I even need to use this? Yes? Well, the thing about math is, it is everywhere. Everywhere you look, every experience you have, there is math involved. And you might not realize how math is important until you become an adult. Yeah, I know, he just put his head in his hands. It's like, oh my God. You're gonna see math everywhere when you become an adult. For mommies and daddies and aunts and uncles who are watching and who are here with us, will you agree that we use math when we go grocery shopping? We use math when we're doing our budget. We use math all the time. And the big place in our lives where we use mathematics is for problem solving. Math helps shape your brain to solve big problems, little problems, and it helps you to realize that there is no one solution sometimes, and sometimes you have many solutions to a problem. So if one solution doesn't work, you don't get flustered, you don't get overwhelmed, you don't get crazy about it. You actually try again, and you try to find another solution. I think this competition and you little ones here this morning are showing that to us. That if we're persistent, if we work hard, if we stay focused, we can find a solution. And that even when we make a mistake, it's not the end of the world, because we tried. Does that make sense? I think my minute is up, so I'm going to stop talking. I'm still waiting for Brittany to come and join us, but I think I'm going to have Ms. Paquitas go over the rules and so on to start, and then when Brittany gets here, I'll have her speak to you. Yes? All right, well, welcome everyone. Let's have a wonderful competition.
Thank you, Dr. Watt. Good morning, everyone. I am Ms. Paquitas. I will be your 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade MC for the day. Here are the 3rd grade rules for Math Mania. For our mathematicians in the front row, the rules are very similar to both the classroom and building rounds. Students will be assigned a randomized competitor number before the competition begins. Students will move to the solution desk when their number is called. Students will be provided with a whiteboard and marker to help them solve the problems. You may begin writing while the question is being read. Okay? So if it says 2 plus 1 on the board, you can begin writing as soon as you see it up there. Each student will have a specific amount of time, which will vary for each round, to answer each math problem. The timer will start after the problem has been read to the student. The timer will go off when they have run out of time. Only the first oral response will be accepted as the answer. So it's your first and final answer. Students and audience members must remain silent or they will be asked to leave. Students may not call out answers to another student's math problem. If the math problem is answered incorrectly or the student runs out of time, the student will be eliminated from the Math Mania competition. If no one in that round solves the problem correctly and everyone is eliminated, all those competitors will receive another chance. And we will let you know if that does occur. The Math Mania rounds will continue until there are 3 remaining competitors who will be named first, second, and third place winners of the 2nd annual district level Math Mania competition.
Mi nombre es Saraí y yo le voy a estar traduciendo a los niños hoy. Y las reglas de Math Mania son: a los estudiantes se les asignará un número de competidor al azar antes de que comience la competencia. Los estudiantes se trasladarán al escritorio de soluciones cuando llamen a su número. Los estudiantes recibirán una pizarra blanca y un marcador para ayudarlos a resolver los problemas. Pueden comenzar a escribir mientras se les lee la pregunta. Cada estudiante tendrá una cantidad de tiempo específica que varía en cada ronda para responder cada problema de matemáticas. El cronómetro comenzará después de que se haya leído el problema al estudiante. Solo se aceptará como respuesta la primera respuesta que se dé. Los estudiantes y miembros de la audiencia deben permanecer en silencio o se les pedirá que se retiren. Los estudiantes no pueden decir en voz alta las respuestas al problema de matemáticas de otro estudiante. Si el problema de matemáticas se responde incorrectamente o al estudiante se le acaba el tiempo, será eliminado de la competencia Math Mania. Si nadie en esa ronda resuelve su problema correctamente y todos quedan eliminados, todos esos competidores tendrán otra oportunidad. Las rondas de Math Mania continuarán hasta que se queden 3 competidores que serán nombrados ganadores del primer, segundo y tercer lugar de Math Mania a nivel del distrito.
Thank you.
Okay, as promised, we have one of our 8th grade students here at Westbury Middle School, Brittany Cordova, who's going to speak to you for a few seconds. Brittany, come ahead. Come on.
Me gustaría ser profesora de matemática porque me apasiona. Quiero ayudar a otras personas a aprender matemáticas. En momentos difíciles, las matemáticas fueron mi fuente de inspiración. Fue ahí donde aprendí que a pesar de lo difícil que era la vida, sabía que tenía una solución, así como los problemas de matemáticas.
era como comparar mi vida con las matemáticas y estoy muy orgullosa de mí porque he logrado todo lo que he tenido, siempre mirando hacia adelante y nunca rendirme.
She says she would like to be a math teacher because it's something that she's passionate about. She wants to teach others how to learn math. She says that it's one of her hardest moments. Math was an inspiration for her, and it's something that in difficult times, math was my source of inspiration. So it was there that I learned how. It was there that I learned that despite how difficult my life was, just like math problems, I learned that they had solutions. It was like comparing my life to math.
Yep. Okay, third grade mathematicians, are you ready? Okay, contestant number 1 is Dean. Will you please come up? You could choose to sit or stand. Please make sure that you say your answer loudly so that we can hear it in the microphone. Okay? So for this round is multiplication. You will have 10 seconds to answer. The whiteboard is there if you should need it. Seconds. Multiply 6 times 5.
30.
Excellent. Contestant number 2 is Mason. Multiply 5 times 4.
20.
Thank you, Mason. Contestant number 3 is Shireen. Multiply 7 times 7.
49.
Excellent. Contestant number 4 is Jafet. Multiply 8 times 5.
40.
Excellent. Contestant number 4 is Sephora. Multiply 9 times 5.
45.
Great job. And contestant number 6 is Ashley. Multiply 4 times 6.
24.
We'll be moving on to round 2. It is basic division facts. Again, each contestant will have 10 seconds to answer the problem. Dean, contestant number 1, you may come up. Divide 64 divided by 8.
8.
Good job. Number 2, Mason. Divide 56 divided by 7.
8.
Excellent. Shireen. Divide 35 divided by 5.
7.
Great job. Jafet. Divide 40 divided by 8.
5.
Excellent. Sephora. Divide 42 divided by 6.
7.
And Ashley. Divide 30 divided by 5.
6.
Great job. Mathematicians, that was another excellent round. We are going to move on to round 3, which will be rounding within a 4-digit number. You will have 20 seconds. Make sure you listen to the directions carefully. Okay. Contestant number 1, Dean. Round to the nearest 10. 1,246.
1,250.
Excellent. Mason. Round to the nearest 100. 1,675.
1,700.
Excellent. Shireen. Round to the nearest 100. 2,548.
2,500.
Excellent. Jafet. Round to the nearest 10. 5,378.
5,300.
Excellent. Nope, sorry. The correct answer is 5,380. It was rounding to the nearest 10. Let's give Jafet a round of applause. Thank you. We're going to go with Ms. Dunbar. Jafet. Okay, Sephora. Round to the nearest 10, 8,761.
8,760.
Good job. Ashley. Round to the nearest 100, 3,755.
3,800.
Good job. Okay. Round number 4 will be multi-digit addition with regrouping. You will have 30 seconds. Remember, as soon as the problem goes on the board, you can start to write the problem. Dean. Add 356 plus 465.
821.
Excellent. Mason. Add 748 plus 368.
1,116.
Excellent. Shireen. Add 629 plus 398.
1,027.
Excellent job. Sephora. Add 597 plus 486.
1,083.
Excellent. Ashley. Add 298 plus 759.
1,057.
Good job. Okay. We are going to move to round number 5, which will be multi-digit subtraction with regrouping. For this round, you will have 45 seconds to answer the problem. Are you ready? Okay, Dean. Subtract 1,462 minus 597.
$865.
Great job. Okay, Mason. Subtract 1,278 minus 499. Do you have an answer, Mason? No? Okay, let's give him a round of applause. Thank you, Mason. Okay, Shireen. Subtract 1,763 minus 874.
$889.
Excellent. Sephora. Subtract 1,345 minus 586.
$759.
Good job. Ashley. Subtract 1,451 minus 763.
688.
You say it again clearly?
688.
Good job. Okay, we are moving on to round 6, which will be word problems. Would anyone like the word problems translated into Spanish or Creole? No. Okay. I will read the problem once. You can start writing as soon as the problem goes on the board. Are you ready, Dean? Okay. You will have 45 seconds to answer the word problems. The picture below shows that 3 cans had the same mass as 9 identical boxes. Each can has a mass of 30 grams. What is the mass of each box? Dean, do you have an answer? What's your answer?
240.
The answer is 10 grams. Let's give Dean a round of applause. Thank you. Okay, Shireen. Ryan played a computer game 3 times. His score on the first 2 games is shown in the table. Ryan's total score was 714. What was his score for game 3? The correct answer was 274. Let's give Shireen a round of applause. Okay, Sephora. Mrs. Jones has 6 types of flowers in her garden. The bar graph below shows the number of each type of flower in her garden. The total for pansies and lilies is the same as which other flower?
The violets?
Yes. Okay, Ashley. The Rogers family drove a total 482 miles starting on Friday and ending on Sunday. They drove 138 miles on Friday and 225 miles on Saturday. How many miles did they drive on Sunday? So the answer is 119. Okay, so since Sephora is the only third grade mathematician to get an answer correct in that round, Sephora will be the first place winner of third grade. Sephora, come on, sit over here for me. We now need Dean, Shireen, and Ashley to come back. And then Ashley. So that we can find out who our second and third place winners will be. Since they all were eliminated in the second round, we now need to have them compete again for second and third place, and fourth place. Okay. All three competitors will compete at the same time in this round. The first competitor to hold up the answer and have it correct will be our second place winner, and so on and so forth. If none of them get it correct again, we will go again. So boys and girls, I'm going to read the rules for this round. Okay? So you're going to hold up your answer. I will check it and then I will ask you to put it face down while your competitors finish their answers. Okay? One second. Okay. I'm going to read the official rules to you. In this round, all the competitors will be presented with the same question at the same time. They will be given a whiteboard and a marker. Once the question is read, the first competitor to answer the question correctly will be the first place winner. The second competitor who answers the question correctly will be the second place winner. Let me back up. The first person to answer the question will be the second place winner of Math Mania in third grade. The second person to answer the question will be the third place winner of Math Mania. And the third person to answer the question correctly will be the fourth place winner of Math Mania. Is everyone ready? Okay. Once you start working, I'm going to come a little closer so that I can see when you hold up your answer. Okay. Solve. Robin has 9 packages of gum. There are 15 pieces in each package. How many pieces of gum does Robin have? Okay. The correct answer was 135. So, Shireen, you have come in second place. Let's give Shireen a round of applause. We will have Ashley and Dean now compete for third and fourth place. So Shireen, you can go sit with Miss Dunbar. You can put the board here and go sit with Miss Dunbar. Same rules will apply for this round. Okay. Solve. Jesse's white wall is 24 feet wide. He wants to cover the top of the wall with posters. His posters are 2 feet wide. How many posters can he fit on the wall? Okay. Ashley had the answer in first. The correct answer was 12. So let's give a round of applause for our third and fourth place competitors. That was a very close one. Thank you to all the third graders who have competed at the district level, the building level, and the classroom levels to make this competition as great as it just was. Let's give them a round of applause again. We're going to prepare for our fourth grade round. It'll take about 1 minute to do so. You can join us. Fourth graders, please stand up and join us in the front row. Let's give them a round of applause. For those of you just joining us, we will be starting the fourth grade district level Math Mania competition. I will read the directions again to you in English. We will have them read again in Spanish. In this round, if a competitor needs the problem read in Spanish alongside English, we will read it in English first and then in Spanish. Okay, fourth grade mathematicians, are you ready? Okay, here are our rules for today. Students will be assigned a randomized competitor number before the competition begins. Students will move to the solution desk when their number and name is called. Students will be provided with a whiteboard and marker to help them solve the problems. You may begin writing as soon as the problem is projected on the screen. Each student will have a specific amount of time, which will vary for each round, to answer each math problem. The timer will start after the problem has been read to the student. Only your first oral response will be accepted. Students and audience members must remain silent or they will be asked to leave. Students may not call out answers to another student's math problem. If the math problem is answered incorrectly or the student runs out of time, the student will be eliminated from the Math Mania competition. As you saw in the last competition, if no one in that round solves their problem correctly and everyone is eliminated, all those competitors will receive another chance to place within the competition. The Math Mania rounds will continue until there are 3 remaining competitors who will be named first, second, and third place winners of our second annual district level Math Mania competition.
A los estudiantes se les asignará un número de competidor aleatorio antes de que comience la competencia. Los estudiantes se trasladarán al escritorio de soluciones cuando llamen a su número. Los estudiantes recibirán una pizarra y un marcador para ayudarlos a resolver los problemas. Pueden comenzar a escribir mientras se les lee la pregunta. Cada estudiante tendrá una cantidad de tiempo específica que varía por cada ronda para responder cada problema de matemáticas. El cronómetro comenzará después de que se le haya leído el problema al estudiante. Solo se aceptará como respuesta la primera respuesta oral. Los estudiantes y miembros de la audiencia deben permanecer en silencio o se les pedirá que se retiren. Los estudiantes no pueden decir en voz alta la respuesta al problema de matemáticas de otro estudiante. Si el problema de matemáticas se responde incorrectamente o al estudiante se le acaba el tiempo, será eliminado de la competencia Mania. Si nadie en esa ronda resuelve su problema correctamente y todos quedan eliminados, todos esos competidores tendrán otra oportunidad. Las rondas de Mania continuarán hasta que se queden 3 competidores que serán nombrados ganadores del primer, segundo y tercer lugar de Mania a nivel del distrito.
Thank you. Okay, fourth graders, sorry about that. Are you ready? Yes, you are. Decatur, you are up. You are number 1. Multiplication facts, you will have 10 seconds. Remember, if you need to write something, as soon as it's up, you may begin writing. The timer will start when I am done speaking. Okay. Multiply. 12 times 4.
48.
Excellent. Number 2, Chloe. Multiply. 7 times 9.
63.
Excellent. Number 3 is Noah. Multiply. 8 times 8.
64.
Excellent. Darlensky, number 4. Multiply. 6 times 12.
72.
Excellent. Daniela is number 5. Multiply. 9 times 9.
81.
Excellent. Mohammed is number 6. Multiply 11 times 12.
132.
Excellent. Okay, we'll be moving on to round 2, which is division facts. Again, you will have 10 seconds. Decatur, you are up, number 1. Divide 96 divided by 12. Do you have an answer? Say it.
8.
Excellent. Okay, Chloe. Divide 66 divided by 11.
6.
Excellent. Divide. 80 divided by 8.
10.
Excellent. Darlensky. Divide. 110 divided by 10.
11.
Excellent. Daniela. Divide. 54 divided by 9.
6.
Excellent. Mohammed. Divide. 72 divided by 9.
8.
Excellent. Okay, we'll be moving on to round 3. Multiplication with multiples of 100 and 1,000. Think about what that means. You have 10 seconds to answer the problem. Okay, Decatur, you are up. Multiply 600 times 6.
3,600.
Excellent. Okay, Chloe. Multiply 7,000 times 3.
21,000.
Great job. Noah. Multiply 8,000 times 4.
32,000.
Excellent. Darlensky. Multiply 900 times 7.
6,300.
Excellent. Daniela. Multiply 4,000 times 5.
20,000.
Excellent. Mohammed. Multiply 600 times 8.
4,800.
Excellent. Okay. Round 4. Division with multiples of 100 and 1,000. You will again have 10 seconds. Are you ready? Divide 3,200 divided by 4.
800.
Excellent. Chloe? Divide 54,000 divided by 9.
6,000.
Excellent. Noah? Divide 84,000 divided by 12.
7,000.
Excellent. Darlensky. Divide 56,000 divided by 7.
8,000.
Excellent. Daniela? 8,400 divided by 7.
1,200.
Excellent. Mohammed. Divide 6,400 divided by 8.
800.
Excellent. There is no stumping these fourth grade competitors. Let's give them a round of applause. We are moving on to round 5. Addition and subtraction of 4 and 5 digit numbers. 20 seconds. Are you ready? Yes, you are. Come on down. Add 4,756 plus 7,356. Excellent. Chloe. Subtract 26,300 minus 11,758. Excellent. Noah? Subtract 82,316 minus 49,589. Do you have an answer? Okay, let's give Noah a round of applause. Thank you. Okay, Darlensky. Add 15,328 plus 6,294. Do you have an answer?
Yes.
Please state it.
31,622.
Unfortunately, the answer is 21,622. Let's give Darlensky a round of applause. Thank you so much. Subtract 56,413 minus 4,168.
$52,245.
Good job. Mohammed. Add 34,806 plus 21,768.
$56,574.
Excellent. is round 6. You will have 15 seconds to answer this problem. The number for this round must be written correctly. The directions will say to write the number. Okay? So you will hold it up when you are done. Okay? Are you ready? Place value 15 seconds. Write the number in standard form. 500,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 6. When you're done, hold it up. Good job. Chloe. Write the number in standard form. 6 10,000s, 5 10s, 3 hundreds, 2 ones. Wait. Or reversed. Okay. Thank you, Chloe. Okay, Daniela. Write the number in standard form. 7 ones, 6 tens, 900,000s, 2,000s. The correct answer is 902,067. We had a 7 in the ones place. Let's give Danielle a round of applause. Write the number in standard form. 20 plus 6,000 plus 70,000 plus 900,000. The correct answer is 970,620. So, just like our 3rd grade mathematicians, we are going to have a sudden death competition for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th place. Because Decatur, you are a 1st place winner of the 3rd grade round. I'm sorry, I did it again. We're going to compete for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th place. Okay. A 4th grade. Sorry about that. 4th grade. So, So boys and girls, for this round, it's going to be 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. You will have 25 seconds to answer. It is the first answer that is given and correct to get second, third, or fourth place. I was just notified that the last question in that round, the answer slide was written incorrectly, but unfortunately the student still had the wrong answer on his board, just for clarification. Multiply 63 times 73. Down, please. Okay, the correct answer to that problem is 4,599. So Daniela had that answer in first, so she will be our second place winner. Mohammed will be our third place winner, and Chloe, you are our fourth place winner. Let's give them all a round of applause. That was a very tight competition. We are going to take a few minutes to prepare for our fifth graders. If our mathematicians sitting in their seats want to get up and give a little stretch, why don't you do that before you have to come up and compete? Okay. Fifth graders, are you ready? Okay. Just as we did this with the other rounds, we will read the directions over again because there is one direction that is specific to fifth graders. Okay? Okay, here we go. Students will be assigned a randomized competitor number before the competition begins. Students will move to the solution desk when their number is called. Students will be provided with a whiteboard and marker to help them solve the problems. They may begin writing while the question is being read to them. Each student will have a specific of time, which will vary for each round, to answer each math problem. The timer will start when I am done reading the problem. Only the first answer will be accepted. We must keep our hands and feet to ourselves while we are sitting in that front row. Students and audience members must remain silent, or they'll be asked to leave. Students may not call out answers to another student's math problem. This is the important one. Numbers must be said in decimal form, using the correct place value when reading your answer out loud. For example, 49 and 8/10 must be read as 49 and 8/10. 49.8 will not be accepted. Gentlemen, do we understand that? You must state the problem correctly in decimal form. If the math problem is answered incorrectly or the student runs out of time, the student will be eliminated from the Math Mania competition. Just like we saw with 3rd and 4th grade. If no one in that round solves the problem correctly and everyone is eliminated, all those competitors will receive another chance. The Math Mania rounds will continue until there are 3 remaining competitors who will be named 1st, 2nd, and 3rd place winners of the 2nd annual 5th grade district level Math Mania competition. Does anyone need problems or directions translated in Spanish or any other language? Okay. Remember, you may start writing as soon as the slide goes on the board. If the timer goes off, we will ask you for an answer. You've got about 2 seconds to give us an answer after that timer goes off. Hands to yourselves and no talking in that front row, please. Multiplication, 3 digits by 1 digit. You will have 30 seconds. Number 1, Landon, you are up first. You want to stand? Okay. Yeah. 321 times 5.
$1,605.
Excellent. Number 2, Yoel. Multiply 428 times 6.
$2,568.
Excellent. Contestant number 3 is Damien. Multiply 305 times 7.
$2,135.
Excellent. Multiply 910 times 8.
$7,280.
Excellent. Dylan, contestant number 5. Multiply 487 times 4.
$1,948.
Excellent. Multiply 625 times 3.
$1,875.
Excellent. Okay, we are moving on to round 2. We're going to pause.
Second, I'm going to take the third graders and fourth graders just to give them a chance to stretch their legs, get something cool, and then we'll connect.
Thanks. Okay, round number 2 is multiplication, 2-digit by 2 digits. You will have 45 seconds. Sorry, Landon, come on down. Multiply 21 times 58.
$1,218.
Excellent job. Yoel? Multiply 45 times 35.
$1,575.
Excellent. Damien. Multiply 64 times 62.
$3,968.
Excellent. Isaac. Multiply 90 times 74.
990.
The answer is 6,660. Let's give Isaac a round of applause. Dylan. Multiply 82 times 49.
$4,018.
Good job. Marius, you're up. Multiply 57 times 39.
$2,223.
Excellent job. Okay, we are moving on to round 3. For this round, again, you are writing the number. Make sure that you are writing it correctly. Are you ready? Write the number in decimal form, 29 thousandths. Excellent job. Write the number in decimal form, 5 thousandths. Great job. Damien? Write the number in decimal form, 2 tenths, 3 thousandths. Good job. Dylan. Write the number in decimal form, 4 tenths, 1 hundredths, 9 thousandths. Excellent. Okay, Marius? Write the number in decimal form, 14 thousandths. That is correct. Okay, we're up to the next round, which will be volume. Okay? Landon, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Remember, you can turn that board either way. The volume is 140 cubic centimeters, What is the value of W?
Seven.
Going forward, because I forgot to remind Landon, you must label your answers. Okay, so the answer is 7 centimeters, or cm, okay? Everyone understand that? The volume is 200 cubic centimeters. What is the volume of X? Excellent. Damien? The volume is 90 cubic inches. What is the value of H? Excellent. Dylan? The volume is 162 cubic inches. What is the value of K?
Inches.
Excellent. Marius? The volume is 100 cubic feet. What is the value of H?
4 feet.
The answer is 5 feet. Let's give Marius a round of applause. Okay, 5th grade mathematicians, we are moving on to round 5, multiplication with decimals. You will have 30 seconds. Landon, are you ready?
Yes.
Reminder, this is a decimals problem. The answer must be stated correctly using the correct place value terms, meaning no point. Okay? Multiply 7/10 times 2 3/10.
$16 1/10.
Correct answer was 1 61/100. Let's give Landon a round of applause. Multiply 2 and 5 tenths times 3 hundredths. Do you have an answer? State your answer.
2 and 15 thousandths.
The correct answer was 75 thousandths. Let's give him a round of applause. Okay, Damien? Multiply 1 and 3 tenths times 4 tenths.
$5,200 hundredths.
Excellent. Dylan? Multiply 1 and 2 tenths times 4 hundredths.
$48 thousandths.
Excellent. Okay. We're going to go on to round 6, which is multiplying mixed numbers. You will have 45 seconds. Damien, are you ready? Multiply 2 and 3/4 times 5.
$55
Excellent. We will accept the answer in any of these 3 forms. That's why there are 3 answers up on there. And for those of you who are here or watching from home, when we're done with these 2 competitors, we will have Yoel and Landon compete for 3rd and 4th place. Okay. Multiply 2 and 3/5 times 3.
$39
Excellent. We're going to do one more round in multiplying mixed numbers. Damien. Multiply 6 and 1/2 times 3.
18 3/2.
Excellent. Dylan. Multiply 3 and 1/3 times 6.
60 thirds.
Excellent. Okay, we are going to move on to round 7, which will be division with decimals. You will have 90 seconds to answer this question, which for mathematicians, how long is 90 seconds? A minute and a half, a minute and 30 seconds. Five and 4/100 divided by 8.
$6,300.
Excellent. Dylan. Divide 7 and 73/100 divided by 3. I'm sorry, 2, go to the next one. I read that wrong. Dylan, erase your word. I jumped ahead. Got math, talking too much. Ready? 2 and 48/100 divided by 8.
$3,100.
Excellent. Okay, Damien. Divide 4 and 27/100 divided by 7.
6,100.
Excellent. Oh, Dylan. Divide 5 and 52/100 divided by 6.
$9,200.
Excellent. One second, please. Okay, Damien and Dylan, we're going to go head to head in our challenge round, just like we did for 3rd and 4th grade. Same rules will apply. Okay, so Damien, you can go back to your seat. Yeah, move over to the first seat and, yeah, perfect. There will be no time for this round. It is the first, I'm going to read the official directions, but it's the first answer and the correct answer. Okay? Congratulations to both of you for making it this far in the 5th grade competition. In this round, all the competitors will be presented with the same question at the same time. They will be given a whiteboard and a marker. Once the question is read, the first competitor to answer the question correctly will be the first place winner, and the second competitor who answers the question, whether it's correct or incorrect, will be our second place winner. Are you ready? I'm going to come over to you once I read it so I can see the answer. Do not call it out in case your friend is still working. Solve. A mall parking lot has 2,232 parking spaces. There are 24 parking spaces in each row. How many rows are in the parking lot? So, boys and girls, the correct answer is 93. So we're going to go again. Don't use your sleeve. You got this. It's okay.
You're doing great.
It's for fun. Solve. Josiah makes a total of 195 ounces of lemonade. He pours the lemonade into 16-ounce bottles until each bottle is full. What is the greatest number of bottles Josiah can fill completely with the lemonade? Excellent. Wonderful job to both of you. The answer was 12 bottles. So we have our first and second place winners. Congratulations to Dylan, our 5th grade district-wide Mania winner, and to Damien, our second place winner in our 5th grade rounds. Okay, we're gonna go now for 3rd and 4th place. Let's give it up for Landon and Yoel. So Dylan, you can go take and Damien, you can go take a seat over there. Yoel, sit here. And sit over here. Yep, stay right there. Everyone have a marker and an eraser. You can put the erasers on the floor for now, or you can hold on to them in case you need them. Everyone understands the rules. I will come over when I'm done reading to check the answers. If I check it, just flip it over, okay? Solve. A teacher has 20 feet of string to use for a class project. She uses all of the string and gives an equal amount to 8 students. How much string in feet will each student get? That's your right answer. You had it in division form, not as an answer. Landon and Yoel. This was an amazing competition. Landon, you are in 3rd place, and Yoel, you are in 4th place. Okay, I believe now we are going to, well, I'd like to thank everyone for participating in all 3 rounds of our Math Mania competition. This is the 2nd year we've done it to this extent. It has been fabulous for all teachers, mathematicians, the Westbury Union Free School District. We, I believe, are going to now do our award ceremony, and we're going to bring back all 5 grades who competed today so that we could do the award ceremony in one place.
Great job, guys.
Okay. Wow, it felt like we did an entire day together already. Children, how do you feel? Try again. Children, how do you feel? Yes. So thank you, parents, for coming. This was amazing. 2 spaces running simultaneously is a lot for not only us, but for the children, but they did very, very well with it. We have winners for each competition, all 5, and we want to do the awards now since parents are with us. And then when you leave, we have a treat for the kiddos. We're going to go and eat big kids lunch in the middle school cafeteria. And then when we're done with that, we're going to the courtyard and we are going to have cake, ice box, chips, bubbles, sidewalk chalk, you name it, we have it. So we have all the fun stuff coming up for you right after this. So parents, Give us about 10 more minutes of your time. We just want to be able to celebrate our students and all the hard work that they've done. Okay?
Alright, so we're going to run through our winners real fast, and then we're going to call up everyone who participated to get their certificates. And every person who participated is also going to get a sweet little goodie bag with a lot of surprises in there. So, for first grade, our third place winner, we had Miriam. Come on up, Miriam. In second place, we had Matthias. Come on up, Matthias. And in first place, we had Afani. Come on up. Angel, come on up for your certificate, and we have the goodie bags, which will come in a minute. Josiah, come on up for your certificate. And Nayeli, come on up. Let's give a big round of applause for our first graders. right, let's give one more big round of applause for our first grade. All right, for our second grade, in third place, we had Dylan. Dylan, come on up. In second place, we had Kayla. And our second grade Math Mania winner was Azalea. And we can't forget about everyone else who participated. Aman, come on up. Anderson, come on up. And Catherine, come on up. Let's give a round of applause for our second graders.
Okay, now we're going to do the awards for the third grade winners of the Math Mania competition. In third place, Ashley Jara Peralta. Come on up. And second place, Shireen Mendez. And first place of the third grade Math Mania district-wide competition, Sephora Khan. And other participants of the district-wide math competition for third grade, Dean Bigoli, Jafet Mendoza Amador, and we have Mason Manasar. Congratulations to all the third grade district-wide participants. job, guys. You can sit back down. Okay, let's call fourth grade. In third place, fourth grade, Mohammed Zaman. Second place, Daniela Rojas Villalba. And first place winner of the fourth grade Math Mania district-wide competition, Decanter Blair. Decatur, sorry. Congratulations. Other participants of the grade 4 Math Mania district-wide competition, Noah, Darlinsky, and Chloe. Great job to everybody. Congratulations to fourth grade. Nice job. And now, fifth grade. Here we go. Ready? Our third place winner for the fifth grade district-wide Math Mania competition, Landon. Ashley. Our second place winner was Damien Farley. And our first place winner of the fifth grade Math Mania competition, Dylan Zapata. And our other competitors that have competed. Keep in mind, everybody had to win past the classroom round, the building level round, and now we're at the district level wide round. So this is a great accomplishment. Isaac, come on down. Marius. Joel. Congratulations again to fifth grade.
Thank you, parents, for coming. I know you want photos with your children. We do have a time to get to that cafeteria though, so if we could do it, but do it with a little bit of haste, that would be great. We have principals in the room and assistant principals. I want to acknowledge the principals from our various elementary schools. We have Miss May in the back from Drexel Avenue, Miss Grimardi, the assistant principal from Drexel Avenue as well. We have Miss Vaca and Miss Christensen, assistant principals of Park Avenue School. And Miss Germain, the principal of Cowles Lane, and Miss Bunger, the assistant principal of Cowles Lane School. Thank you all. This was another phenomenal Math Mania competition. Looking forward to what next year will bring. Thank you.
job.